Today, we will be showcasing the custom web development project for F-Prime's Fintech Index, created by us here at GoingClear. The purpose of the Fintech Index is to track and compare the performance of fintech companies against other market indexes, including the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. The custom web development functionality also provides a deeper look into the companies included within the index, allowing users to compare the companies across several important metrics and sector benchmarks. The custom web development feature utilizes an API to consistently update the charts featured on the website, providing up-to-date information. We also implemented functionality that dynamically updates the charts based on a series of filters across various selected sectors. The first chart is the index itself, which compares the Fintech Index against the EM Cloud Index, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. Users can select the different sectors within the Fintech Index to compare their performance against the other indexes, as well as the IPO type. The chart also offers a flexible date selector ranging from all time to 1 week. When the user hovers over the chart, they can see the exact percentage the indexes have changed over the selected date range. The company comparison chart lets users compare fintech companies based on a number of financial metrics. The chart displays sector averages at the top and lets users choose if they want to compare the top 10 companies or all companies and further specify the results based on sectors. The multiple benchmark chart is a line graph that plots data points on an XY axis with either different margin or growth metrics on the x-axis and different revenue and profit ratio metrics on the y-axis. The chart generates an average of the featured companies and also allows for filtering by sector. The head-to-head chart allows the user to choose any two companies from the Fintech Index in a direct comparison based on financial metrics. Once the two companies are selected, the chart shows which company boasts the better result, giving the user a clear view of how the two companies are performing in comparison to one another. The sector benchmark chart offers 3 charts comparing companies based on which vertical they belong to within the Fintech Index. The incumbent company, one that holds significant market share, is highlighted, and a median line is generated based on all companies' performance of the selected metric. The historical metrics charts, split into by revenue growth and by sector, shows the performance of companies based on different metrics, with the revenue growth chart allowing users to filter by sector and IPO type. With that, we hope you enjoyed this short overview of this API-driven custom web development project. If you are interested in a custom web development project for your company, feel free to get in touch with us here at GoingClear.